Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get to Hong Kong Disneyland Resort from the airport. Let's get started. Welcome to Disney Theme Park World. Once you exit the arrival gate, just follow the signages that lead you to public transportation. You're going to face Airport Express train station pretty soon. Just straight down the way and turn left. The taxi platform is located at the end of this bright atrium promenade. There are 3 types of taxis available in Hong Kong: red, green, and blue. Red is called urban taxi. Basically, it covers every corner of Hong Kong area, but primarily people use it to get into the city. Green is called new territory taxi. Basically, it covers new territory area. It's kind of like long distance taxi. Blue is called Lantau Taxi, and it covers basically Lantau Island area. Since Hong Kong Disneyland Resort is located in Lantau Island, this is the one that you're supposed to hop on. Please try to keep etiquette when choosing proper taxi for your destination. Now it's time to enjoy the ride. This is a complete trip footage taken from the airport to the resort, and the travel time was about 15 minutes, and the fare was 140 Hong Kong dollars, which is equivalent to 19 US dollars. Most of taxi drivers are capable of speaking in English, so there's no language barriers. Just tell your destination, either Disneyland or one of 3 Hong Kong Disneyland Resort hotels. This time I chose to go to Disney Explorers Lodge. Now sit back and relax, enjoy your ride. Alright, explorers, welcome to Disney Explorers Lodge. Please check out more Disneyland videos here, and if you like them, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and have a zippity-doo-dah day.